A peaceful walk along Winchester's Weirs Walk. Ducks and history. Hi there everyone, we're out for a lovely walk in Winchester today, starting at the historic City Bridge on High Street. We're following the man-made Itchen Navigation along the Weirs Walk, enjoying the gentle flow of the water over the weirs and the sight of ducks paddling by. The canal's stone-lined banks reflect its history as a working waterway, with the nearby buildings of High Street adding an urban charm to our walk. The Itchen Navigation has deep roots. When the Romans founded Winchester in AD 70, they diverted the River Itchen to create a water channel, helping to build their town. Centuries later, in the 1600s, this canal was expanded to carry barges between Winchester and Southampton, bustling with goods like coal and timber. Though it fell into decline with the rise of railways in the 19th century, today it's a peaceful trail that lets us step back in time. The air is fresh with the scent of the canal, and the soft sound of the water creates a calming backdrop. Come along and soak in the peaceful charm of this waterside path with us. Look over there. A group of ducks and their adorable ducklings are diving playfully in the clear water of the canal. We stop for a moment to watch the little ones bob under the surface, popping back up with tiny splashes that catch the sunlight. It's a delightful sight that adds a touch of joy to our peaceful walk along the Itchen Navigation. As we continue our walk, we're captivated by the graceful willow trees lining the canal. Their long, drooping branches sway gently in the breeze, like nature's curtains. The soft green leaves, with their silvery undersides, catch the May sunlight, creating a shimmering glow that dances on the canal. In spring, these willows are alive with energy. Their branches are dotted with the last of their fuzzy catkins, a favorite treat for bees buzzing softly in the warm air. These trees play a vital role here, their deep roots anchoring the canal banks to prevent erosion, while their leafy canopy offers a cool shade to the ducks and ducklings below. We can't help but notice the gentle rustling of the leaves, a soothing sound that blends with the murmur of the water. Willows have a rich history too. Their flexible wood was once used to craft baskets and fences, and their bark was valued for its healing properties, even inspiring modern medicines like aspirin. These willows have stood here for years, their presence a quiet testament to nature's resilience, offering a sense of calm to passers-by like us. It's easy to see why they've long been symbols of tranquility in folklore, adding a timeless beauty to our walk along the Itchen Navigation. We've made our way back to the historic city bridge, standing here as the clear water of the Itchen Navigation flows gently beneath us. Watching the steady current, we feel a sense of calm after our delightful walk, filled with the sights of ducks, ducklings, and the graceful willow trees. It's the perfect way to end our time in Winchester, reflecting on the beauty and history of this waterside path. If you enjoyed joining us on this journey, please like, share, and comment below to let us know what you loved most. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the charm of the world around you.